Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make this lace blindfold. These are pattern pieces and measurements for the lace blindfold. First, I'm cutting the lace trimming. My lace trimming is 9.5 centimeters wide and I'm cutting one lace trimming and it is 32 centimeters long. Next, I'm cutting ribbon. My ribbon is 52 centimeters long and I'm cutting two pieces out and each ribbon is 2 centimeters wide. Now I'm burning each end of the ribbon so the ribbon ends are not fraying. Next, I'm preparing my pattern pieces for sewing. All my pattern pieces right sides are facing upwards, and now I'm creating a box pleat on a lace trimming and I'm pinning that to the ribbon, and I'm repeating on the same on the other side. I'm pleating a box pleat on a lace trimming and I'm pinning it to the ribbon like that. And now I will sew these two ends. I'm sewing a straight stitch to attach the lace and the ribbon, and after I have attached those two patterns I have folded my ribbon over and I'm repeating another straight stitch. This is called a French seam. And now I'm repeating same on the other side. And my lace blindfold is finished. I made another two lace blindfolds using same sewing technique. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions how I made this lace blindfold, please do comment down below on the comment box, and I'll see you next time.